Welcome to the AlterLink 003 tutorial. This is a basic tutorial about usage of this software. AlterLink can be downloaded at the Dogstorm's website at www.dogstorm.com. In this tutorial we will make a movie management, linking movies with actors and directors to explain the basic features of AlterLink. Start AlterLink. We're starting with AlterLink already installed on the PC. This tutorial is only for the basic usage, not for setup, but setup procedure is very simple and intuitive. By clicking on the File menu we can select the Select Another Archives menu. With this we are able to choose another archive file to work on. In the field under you could see the actual used archive. Here we could open an existing archive, but in this case we are going to choose New Archive for this example. In this window just click on Empty Archive, because we don't need a ready scheme or example data. Now we see the position and the name proposed by the software in the New Archive field. We can change this by clicking the button Change on the right. Assuming we're okay with path, I'm going to change only the name of the archive, calling it Movies. We have not to insert the extension, it will be automatically added. The extension for AlterLink archive files is .dar. It's important to know where the archive we're using is. This because if we want to save a copy or backup it, we have to know where is, what is the path, and how it's named. Confirm with Save button, and then another Confirm with OK button. Now, we have a blank scheme. By clicking on this button we are going to create a new table. Now, first we have to choose the type of the table. For the moment we are going to choose standard table. Later in this example we will see how to use the simple list table type. Then we have to put the name of the table. We could compile the name in 3 different languages to use the multi-language features of the software, but in this example, we are going to use only one language, so it's enough to fill only one of the name fields. The blank fields will be automatically filled. In this case, we are going to call the new table Movies. Just confirm with OK button. In this window we can see the obligatory fields, the code and the last modified date, in which will be auto-save the last modify on every record. By click on the plus button on the upper bar, we are going to create a new field. First we have to choose the type of field. In this case we are going to choose text. Single line is enough. OK. Now the name, the multi-language rules are the same than before. In this case we call this field title as title of movie. Alright, just click on the OK button to confirm. Now, add another field for the year of the movie. In this case we could choose date in the field type, but we've only to insert the year of the movie, not the entire date, with day and month. So, now we choose number. Integer is enough in this case. Next, we've to put the name. We can call it release year. Confirm with OK. No more fields are needed. We can close this window with the X on the upper right corner. We can see the new table on the left. We can select the table by clicking on it, then on the upper right side we can see the date of this table, now is empty. To add new record in the table we have to click on this button. OK, we've to put the title of the film in the title field, previously created. Easy. Writer. OK. Next, in field year 1969. Well, just click on Save and Exit. This button. Now, for make this example working I'm going to add other movies in the same way. We can change the order of the records simply clicking on title of field we want to order, like this. For reverse order is enough to click another time on the same title. Or on another column, like this. OK. So, we've now to create another table, click on this table for people, to insert directors or actors, choose the type, standard, and the name, people. Well, confirm. Click on button plus to add a field. Select type, text. OK. Name, for people we can store name, surname, and birth date. Anyway, name. Confirm. Add the other two fields in the same way. Type text. Surname. Confirm. And last one. This time type date. Name, birth date. Confirm. Now we can close this window. Here we have the new table people. Selecting it we can see the content and we can add new records in it. Click here to add a record. Well, now insert some other people to make work this example. Now, we've to link movies and people tables. To make these two tables connected, we've to select one of these tables by click on it. And then we need to click on this button. This one. Well, in the list we can only see one table, just because it's the only connectable table present in our archive. To make a connection, select the table and click on this button, or simply double-click on the table to link. It's the same. Movies and people are now linked. We can see a new table under relationship specifications. This kind of table will appear every time a relation is created. As you can see, the name of this table contains the names of the linked tables, so we can also know which tables are connected by checking tables under relationship specifications. Anyway, click on this table to select it, and we can start to populate it. In this kind of table it makes sense to insert records who can identify the type of relation between movies and people. For example, a specific for this kind of relation could be actor or director. A person could be related with a movie because is an actor or a director in this movie. Okay, now we've to add some new records as actor. Okay. And director. Okay. Also director and actor, because someone could be actor and director at the same time in one movie. Well, we're going to connect specific movies to specific people. Select the movies table by click on it and click on one movie. For example, Easy Rider. Now, to view link people to this movie, we've to select people in this combo. This one. Here we can see all the tables linked to the selected one. In this case we see only people because it's the only one connected. Really is the only one at all. Anyway, selecting people, we see that no persons are connected to this specific movie. To add a connection to an existing person, click on this button. This one. Okay, now just double-click on Jack Nicholson to link with the selected movie Easy Rider. Well, we can see now Jack Nicholson is linked. With a double click on this record we can edit the field, but in this case we can also modify the type of relation in the first field. In this case we select actor. Exit. Now let's connect some people to movies to make work this example. Select another movie. Connect a new person. Now, as you can see, by click on a movie we can discover people connected to it. At the opposite, selecting a person, by clicking on Table People and click on a specific person, we can see connected movies simply selecting Table Movies in this combo in the middle. Here it is. Changing person we can view connected movies. We can now understand how it's simple to reverse the research from movie to people or conversely, from people to movies. Now, to add a connection to a newly created person, without add the person to Table People and connect it to the movie by this button, we can choose a faster and easier way. By click on this button. As we can see from the description, we can add a new person directly linked to the movie. Let's go. As you can see, in this case you can directly choose the type of relation. Name. Surname. And exit. As you can see, new person is present and linked, all in one step. Let's do it another time. Now, we can see this new person directly in table. And selecting movies in the middle. We see is already linked to specific movie. Well, now we are going to make a simple table or list table to add the genre to the movies table. Click on the button New Table. And then select the type. Simple list. Now the name genre. Genre. Click OK. There is nothing to edit because list tables have only one field for every language. No fields can be added or edited. Here it is. A click on it to begin insert data. As seen before, click on this button to insert a new record. Comedy. Close. Save. Add another. Drama. Other one. Noir. OK. Now we've to edit table movies selected by click on it. Now click on button edit table. This one. Here, click on button add field. Choose the type link 1 for simple/list tables. We could also choose link 2 to standard tables, but now we proceed with list to make this example easier. No name can be written in this case, we've only to choose the table to link in this combo. OK, now we see only one table, this because is present only one list table. Select and OK to confirm. Well, now edit records in table movies. We can choose the genre with a combo box. Like this. OK, now edit other movies in the same way. This basic tutorial is going to end. Hope you have found it useful and clear. See you soon on next tutorial. Bye.